Strengthening Faith 102. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Islam teaches people to be mindful of everything which occurs within their lives and the lives of others, as one can learn valuable lessons from them. For example, witnessing a sick person is a powerful reminder for a Muslim to make use of their good health before they lose it. Similarly, a Muslim should be mindful of their speech and the speech of others, as one can learn important lessons from them. People often experience slip-of-the-tongue moments, whereby they say something which may well reflect their inward state, even if that is hidden from them and others. For example, when discussing the importance of family to someone, they may well state that the most important thing to a person should be their family. But when one correctly points out to them that the most important one in a Muslims is Allah, the Exalted, the speaker quickly retracts their statement or replies that that is what they meant, even though they did not say it. In these slip-of-the-tongue moments, whether it occurs to oneself or others, one must reflect deeply on what was said and assess their own belief and actions to ensure they remain on the right course and continue to sincerely obey Allah, the Exalted, and avoid deceiving themselves, even subconsciously. Similarly, when others joke about something, there is often a layer of truth embedded in their joke. Meaning, a part of them does mean what they say, to a certain degree. One should be mindful of these things, as they can learn deeper truths about their own psyche and behavior, which is always important to monitor and, if necessary, to adjust so that it runs in line with the teachings of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.